Okay, this is huge. This blew my mind. If anything, like after this or during the video, please write in the comments. I would love to know your thoughts. But so I just saw that My Golf Spy released an article saying that Taylormade is basically filing a lawsuit against Costco. I'll drop the link below. Basically, they're filing a lawsuit against Costco over their new Kirkland Signature Irons. And these irons just came out last month. And not only that, there was a lot of hype over it last year, just talks about it, right? Talk about drama, my friends, like big time drama, at least in the golf world. And so I think this is huge because, like I said, Kirkland just released these, right? But anyways, so just to give you a little bit of rundown of what's happening, right? So Taylormade basically filed a lawsuit against Costco, right? And not only Costco, but I guess in partnership with Costco is a company called Southern California Design Company. And I guess they go by SCDC. And so basically Taylormade is claiming patent infringement on Costco's new Kirkland Signature Player Irons. And I guess, one thing too to note is that SCDC is, I think they are the main producer or the manufacturers behind the Kirkland golf clubs. And so, but all of that, just to sum up, basically, it seems like Taylormade is basically kind of saying like, hey, you kind of copied our stuff. And you can see that too, like specifically when you compare the Kirkland irons with the P790s, very similar, right? So with that, so according to the lawsuit, Taylormade is basically calling out Costco, also for like false advertising, saying that Costco irons, they don't actually have the injected urethane inserts that they claim to have. And the other thing too, if I remember in the article, saying that Taylormade is also asking for a jury trial. So that should be really interesting, because if Costco and SCDC are guilty of all that patent infringement or any of the false advertising, like, yeah, I really wonder what's gonna happen. So I'm very curious to see what's going to happen with all this news. Like I'm a little surprised, but yet at the same time, I'm not that surprised. I'm not that shocked. But again, I know companies file lawsuits against other companies for things, but I wonder how this is all going to play out for both Taylormade and Kirkland, or even for us customers, right? So we'll have to see what, the verdict is based off the jury, if it goes down that, or if they settle or whatever. But yeah, for now, I just wonder if there's going to be any impact on basically the Gen 1 irons from Kirkland. If that's going to stop for now, I don't know. We'll see. Anyways, this is going to be some interesting drama. We'll see. I just really want to know what you guys are thinking. Like, please, like, put it in the comment. Like, I want to know your thoughts of what's happening. If you care, if you do care, let me know your thoughts. But other than that, thanks for checking this out, and I'll talk to you guys later.